Sol Sierra. That's the helix. Spider dog. We're going up to the uphill part of Sol Sierra. This way to the left is to the garden and restaurant. This one goes to the helix right over there.
To the
Garden and the restaurant.
Push naman. Amazing. Actually, nagsunod sila ng dako kayo ba? So, this is their restaurant. I'm here at the house, the Caribbean Camp. Wow. Dito sa China, no?
So we are here. What's this place? Wow, that's the balcony. The Ulu. Wow.
Rocky.
Rock.
Makita dyan mo ba ilang mga farm sila. Saka na mga farm sa tanong. Actually guys, kung maaari mo, dapat dahil ko na nga magpabook mo. Para maandam nila ang place. Since kami,
The throne.
ito'y butang. Bow down before me. We're so thankful kay gisugtan mi ni Kuya. Kaya pasudlon day mi diri nga. Kuan nadili man unta sila magpasud, it's because kuan pa under renovation pangilahang camping site.
And everything.
And yeah, and everything. Nyari ni. Asa man taan ni guys, tabangi daw mi.
Yeah, sa dito.
So, bitaro nga sagtikang bikin makuan ka diya.
Tignan.
So, kay gisugtan namin ni Kuya, this is it. And kami rabi diri guys. It's a very mingaw. You know what? It's kinda creepy na. Kay basin yag na yung mga bitin. Tanaw mo.
Kung sa Kamingo, pwede rin mag-tour jokes.
Bungwang.
We found the pool.
Kaya mo gisugtan.
This is the pool.
Wow.
So that right there is the helix. Madiha ang mga rooms, accommodation. Then beside it is the beautiful pool with a city view.
Oh, nice kayo siya. Imagine, no, ara ka maligo with that kind of view. See? Mura dyan siya gitupad no nga. Kung gusto ka mag-province, ganun ka pabukid, tada! Gusto ka sa city, nada yung mga buildings, tada! If gusto ka na ko, kay nada yung sa KC.
Dive.
Buong-buong ka, pila no ka fit, oh.
So we are currently inside the helix. Not yet inside, but
Park.
at the lobby or corridor. Look, there's an ant. Ay!
Ano yung ampay? Oh, see?
Look.
Tour jokes dyan kagwang.
Chuy kayo.
Happy na ka.
Chuy kayo siya, chuy. Oh, see? Para sa mga sakyanan. Gusto na kung may bawaan. Asa ang Camp Sol? Asa ang ilahang camping area dapit agiun? Wow, so this is the helix. Nara siya dro? Scared? Na, di siya mo dayon. Okay. Napa dito ang camp. So I just arrived at the top. Sabi ka tungason. Sila they have huts. Wow. There's the bonfire area. There's really no people. They have grill. They do have a cabin house. Take one there.